Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Candy Crush Saga. To change your name in Candy Crush Saga, first of all open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device and log into your account. To change your name in Candy Crush Saga, make sure to log in with your King account. After you're logged in with your King account, tap on the My Account button. Now click on the Edit button right under your email. Go to the nickname option and then enter a new nickname or name for your account. After you are done, click on Save Changes. And then you can easily change your name in Candy Crush Saga if you're logged in with your King account. For those who have logged in with your Facebook account, you can change your name in the Facebook setting and the name will be synced with Candy Crush. So that is how you can easily change your name in Candy Crush Saga in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.